Okay, guys, Team Old Blue, and today we're gonna do a little short video on what I dislike about this Husqvarna lawnmower. Is this fuel tank? It only holds a minimum of 2.5 gallons, and this it's on this side. It's the where the deck is, what the deck heights are. As you see here, it's got 3.5, 3, 2.5, 2, 1, and so on. Like the Cub Cadet in the back, which will be previous in the next short, only does 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And it has a 3-gallon fuel tank, which is better for the long run when you're doing yard work. Peace.